Ever wondered what's lurking in your air ducts? In beautiful Colorado Springs, it's not just dust, it's a cocktail of allergens, bacteria, and even mold spores. But don't worry, there's a breath of fresh air coming your way. At Friendly Air Duct Cleaning, we're on a mission to make every breath in your home as pure as our mountain air. We're proud to be Colorado Springs' choice for air duct cleaning. Our cutting-edge technology doesn't just clean, it purifies, reaching every corner of your air ducts. Our process starts with a detailed inspection, followed by a powerful vacuum treatment that whisks away all those unwanted particles. From hidden allergens to potential fire hazards in your dryer vent, we tackle it all. Why? Because here in Colorado Springs, we believe air duct cleaning isn't just a service, it's a way to safeguard your family's health. Choose Earth Friendly, and let's make your home's air as refreshing as a hike through the Rockies. After all, in Colorado Springs, clean air is our natural heritage.